Hi guys, it's Smiley Jason from Smile and Mobile, and today we're going to give you a solution on how to solve the jumping cursor issue. So let's test out the jumping cursor, shall we? There we go. You saw that? Let's try it some more. Very good typer. There we go. You see, we were typing over here and it jumps over here. This can get very annoying. When you're typing in passwords and you can't see it, your cursor is just jumping all over the place. So today we're going to show you how to fix this jumping cursor issue. Okay, so the solution is pretty simple. All you need to do is click on the Start tab and go to Program, select Control Mouse. Once you open it up, you will have to click cancel in order to see the control. In order to hit the control panel screen. On this screen, what you're going to have to do is go to Make the Mouse Easier to Use, and under Make the Mouse Easier to Use, go down to Mouse Settings, and in Mouse Settings, go to Pointer Options and click Hide Pointer while typing. Hit Apply. Click OK. Now let's do another test and see if it happens. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can follow us at smileandmobile.com or at Twitter at smileandmobile.